Not getting verification codes on your iPhone, that can really be frustrating. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix your iPhone when it's not receiving verification codes step by step so you can get back to signing in and verifying without any issues. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. On your iPhone, tap on Settings. Scroll down and tap on Apps. Then scroll down until you see Messages. Here you can see an option iMessage. Toggle this option off. Wait for about 5 to 10 seconds and toggle it on again. This helps to reset your iMessage settings. Scroll down a little and you can see the option Screen Unknown Senders. Make sure this option is turned off, because most of the time the verification codes are sent from numbers that are not in your contact list, and these messages will be moved to the unknown senders list and not appear in your main message inbox. Then scroll down further until you see Send as Text Message. If this option is turned off, toggle it on. This allows your phone to send as text message when iMessage is unavailable. Scroll down further and you can see the option Blocked Contacts. Tap on it. If you have any blocked contacts, try to make sure the verification code sender does not belong to this blocked list, or the verification codes will not be able to be sent to you. The last option is to check if your mobile service is turned on. To check this, swipe down from the top of your iPhone to access the control center. Here you can see my service provider is Simba and it's currently active. Then also make sure your airplane mode is not turned on here. If the airplane mode is in orange color, tap on it to turn it off. There you go. If you found today's video useful, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Thank you so much. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and bye-bye.